What's up, guys? I created this look using the Juvia's Play Zulu palette. This palette has a lot of pretty bright colors. So right now we're in the winter and sometimes you want to wear bright colors to brighten up your mood. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Going into the Zulu palette, I'm going to take this yellow shade and use it as my transition color. These shades do not have names, so I'm just going to call them by what they look like. Now I'm going to go back in and take the orange shade and put that in my crease right below the yellow. So here I'm just about to create a cut crease using LA Girls Pro Concealer. Here you see me blink because when you blink, the concealer that's on the eyelid transfers to the upper eyelid. That way you know exactly where to put the concealer. Now I'm going into that green shade and I'm going to place that in my inner eyelid. Now I'm placing the turquoise color right on the rest of my eyelids. So the palette has another greenish blue color, but this one has shimmer in it. So I'm just going to place that right on top of the turquoise color. Here you see me blending the green and blue together. So now I'm going to go back into the palette and take the pink and purple color and place those under my waterline. I am going to do my eyeliner, mascara, and lashes off camera. Now I'm going to go in with Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil in the color Blackmail and line my lips. The lipstick I'm using today is MAC's Good Kisser. I'm going to go in with MAC's blush in the shade Fuji. And lastly, for highlighter, I'm using MAC's Global Glow. And that is it for this look, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. Also, leave me comments. Until next time, bye.